Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Gastronautskitchen. We are happy to present many recipes gathered from around the world. Over 10 years of living and traveling on our catamaran, we have explored different regions and collected a whole bunch of culinary masterpieces. If you appreciate diversity and fresh culinary ideas, you've come to the right place. Today, we are thrilled to introduce this unique chicken Zereshk recipe, which we uncovered through our Iranian friend, who has operated the finest Persian restaurant in the United States for over 40 years. Right now we finally chopped the onion. Squeeze the juice of 2 lemons. You should end up with about 3/4 cup of juice. Now heat up the pan. We're gonna be frying chicken using olive oil or ghee or a combination of two. Sprinkle chicken pieces with black pepper and salt. Fry it on both sides until it's nice and brown. Later we're gonna be cooking it more, so it doesn't have to be cooked through. Just nicely browned. We are removing the fried chicken into a separate dish. If you need to, you can add more oil or ghee to the same pan. We'll begin to fry onions until it's caramelized. Towards the end of this process, deglaze the pan with water or white wine. We're switching to a different pan, you don't have to, that has a good cover. In it, we're going to slow cook the chicken. Using the ghee, continue the cooking process of the onions, adding a cup of barberries, lemon juice, add sugar and mix everything well. Place the chicken back into the pan, combine it with the sauce. Cover and leave to cook for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Stir from time to time, making sure that all the chicken is evenly coated. Now the chicken is ready, and we are serving it with a Persian tadik rice, the recipe of which we're going to release next week. I just want to add that Iranians consider rice to be very important, and we're going to be happy to share next week this delicious recipe of tadik. And this was our absolutely favorite chicken Zereshk. Thank you for cooking with us.